In this tab, you can invite your team members, employees, or suppliers to your project. After adding their personal information, you can decide whether this person should be an administrator or a user. Administrators have access to this section, while users do not. In the next line, you can add the job title of that person. Very important is also the visibility. Some projects might have confidential information that should not be shared with everybody. In this case, you can limit the visibility of purchase orders to certain users. You have the choice between allowing them to see just their own purchase orders of their own department only, or all purchase orders. If you want to give this user an approval right, then you can select one or more corresponding levels here. If the person should not have any approval rights, then just keep the field blank. Last but not least, you can assign the user to one or more departments. This is very important if you want to limit the visibility of purchase orders for a specific user to certain departments, or if the approval right of that user applies to a certain department only. In the bottom part, you can also decide whether the user is allowed to enter account numbers, void or amend purchase orders, or mark them as paid. Please also check out the other video tutorials where we are explaining how to amend, void, or add payments for purchase orders.